How to archive an unarchived Instagram post. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Simply select the post you want to archive. Open the post and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots at top right and here you'll find archive option. Simply click on archive and your post will be archived. After you have done that, to unarchive Instagram post, simply go to your profile, then click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. In here, click on archive, which is below saved. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find stories archive at the top. Click on it and then press on post archive. Click on the post, click on three dots and then press on show on profile. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to archive and unarchive Instagram posts. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.